When the stakes are high, your police department needs technology from a trusted American company. Introducing Cyrus by Teledyne FLIR, an unmanned aerial solution designed for law enforcement. Cyrus's payload includes a 16-megapixel visible image sensor and a radiometric FLIR boson thermal sensor. The visible image sensor is capable of 128 times zoom, enabling you to see every detail of the mission. The thermal sensor has 5 times magnification. Cyrus is designed for the first responder, where every second counts. 31 minutes of flight time ensures the mission stays on track. Cyrus ascends at 13.4 miles per hour. No geofencing or cloud connectivity ensures there are no unwanted hindrances to your mission. Hot swappable batteries get Cyrus back in the air in seconds. Make Cyrus your next tool for pre-tactical deployment recon, suspect tracking, mission overwatch, search and rescue, incident documentation, public safety. Cyrus is the data-secure American drone for your police department. Save lives, save time, save budget. With Cyrus from Teledyne FLIR.